Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. On the 7 days time frame chart, ApeCoin is completely in downtrend. You can see it is forming lower highs and lower lows as well. But this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that has recently happened is a very big turning point for ApeCoin. And you can see that imminently after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, it has also broken out this quite long-term downtrend and resistance as well. When it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, you can see we found this resistance here in the month of June 2023. We got stable rejections here, and rejections here as well. And right now, you can see that ApeCoin is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of $1.90 that had been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance and we got rejection here. And right now you can see that the price line is trying to break out this long-term resistance. And it has also broken out this red line that is exponential moving average 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. A quite big resistance that we have broken out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very huge resistance that is the Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance coming on the way of ApeCoin. And in today's video, we will also watch this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for ApeCoin that I shared a few days ago on 4th of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 52% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for ApeCoin that I shared on 4th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that ApeCoin was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see it was about to complete the final leg. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, entered the buying zone here slightly more down than this potential reversal zone, but they covered back very soon. And then we had almost 52% so far on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of ApeCoin. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2022, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And this was a quite strong and long-term support zone, by the way. That starts from $4 and goes to $3.10. That had been working as a support zone here. You can see we had a long spike inside the support zone, but the price line recovered back very soon. We had a very nice pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of $7.50. Moved down again, tested this support zone. We had another nice bounce, and we also tested the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. And here it worked as a nice support for a few weeks, but finally it broke down this support. Therefore, now once the price line will be reached there again, then it can work as a very strong and long-term resistance for the price line of ApeCoin. Right now, you can see that we have broken out this falling wedge pattern. And after that, ApeCoin has also broken out this downtrend line resistance as well. And at this time, it is breaking out this quite significant resistance of $1.90 that had been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And here we got rejection. And right now, we are trying to break out this resistance on this weekly time frame chart. And after breaking out this resistance, there will be a very high probability that soon price line may reach this major and very strong long-term resistance on that starts from $3.10 and goes to $4. And after breaking out this resistance on, it can start a very massive and long-term bull rally. And now if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud, that is also another very strong and long-term resistance coming on the way of ApeCoin. You can see that we are about to hit that resistance as well. And once it will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then this cloud can be turned into a very strong and long-term support And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern, that final target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.